Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a video that's a bit different, but I've been wanting to do this because I've been quite obsessed with cleaning videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my late night cleanup once the kids are in bed. So there won't be any vacuuming in this video because they are actually sleeping. This is just going to be how I clean, disinfect, and pick up after the whole day's worth of them making a mess. What I do, it's really quick, it's really realistic. I do have a DIY in this video. If you cannot get your hands on any antibacterial products at this moment in our lives, I'm going to show you homemade solution. If you're into these kind of videos, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Stay tuned for this video. Barkeeper's Friend is definitely one of my most favorite discoveries. I just apply it to my stove and I let it sit there while I clean the rest of my kitchen, and then I'm going to come back to this later. I just wanted to soak up onto my stove because it's really going to soften and minimize my scrub time. It also works really great on pots if you want them to look really shiny and brand new. Definitely pick up Barkeeper's Friend. For my butcher block surface, I decided not to use the homemade cleanser because this is a wood surface. I didn't want to ruin it. So I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's Basil Multi-Surface Cleanser. And I'm just going to use this on my wood surfaces, which is this butcher block, and then you'll see later on in my coffee station. When it comes to surfaces that Sophia can reach, I definitely make sure to tend to those areas. She does not know not to touch her face, but she's still learning, you know, and what we know, we can't expect babies to know, so you want to make sure that you look at the world through their eyes and you disinfect every single thing that they can possibly get their hands on, put their hands in their mouth. So I was really paying attention to those areas. I can actually go on and on about germs and babies, so I'm just going to let you watch the rest of the video. Once I feel my scrubber just gliding across the stove, I know it's clean, so now it's time to rinse. So I just rinse with the rag, and rinse again and again until it's nice and shiny. And there you have it. This concludes the video. I hope you guys found this entertaining and that maybe you feel a little motivated to clean up a little before bed so that you can have more time to yourself throughout the day. You also feel a lot more relaxed in the morning when you're having your coffee or your cup of tea, knowing that you don't have to clean up the house. So thank you so much for watching this. Till my next video, stay beautiful.